it's me, Alegra. Babes, today I was able to play with the new Too Faced Naturally Matte collection. I got the eyeshadow palette and the face palette. The face palette comes with blushers, bronzers, a bronzing veil, highlighter, and this is the eyeshadow palette right here. So this collection is just super gorgeous, creamy shades that are coconut infused. So guys, they really do smell amazing. They do smell like coconut. It has that kind of like coconut suntan type of feeling. So I'm really glad that I bought it because it really is, when you open it up, it smells so good that you're like, oh yes. The shades are really, really beautiful, creamy and super pigmented and really, you know, just easy to wear, comfortable. So I love that. And then the face palette is absolutely gorgeous as well. The packaging is stunning. It has some weight to it, and it just feels like a gorgeous, like old Hollywood palette, eyeshadow palette. I love the colors. The shades are super gorgeous, and you can definitely take both these palettes with you on vacation when you're traveling. Just have these for the summer, the spring. You're gonna feel gorgeous on the go. So I really love it. So I had so much fun playing with these palettes today and coming up with this look. So just keep watching if you'd like to see how I created this look today. And babes, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it so much. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps me out and I would really, really appreciate it. So just keep watching if you'd like to see how I came up with this look today. So first, starting with Nude Goals on a Morphe smudger brush, and I'm just going to put that under my brows and in the tear duct area, and just pulling it down, placing it and then kind of pulling it down. So then I'm taking my fluffy brush with Au Naturel, and I'm putting that right into the crease, and I'm really deepening up the outer V and then pulling it over to my tear duct area. So this shade is just stunning. Even on its own, it would just make such a gorgeous all over look on your lid and into your crease. So now I'm taking Hookup, and I'm just using a small shader brush, and I'm just gonna feel where my eye is kind of curving into that bone area there, and I'm gonna place it right in there in sort of a semicircle motion, just to deepen it up. This is another color, would just look absolutely stunning all over your eye, and you wouldn't even have to do much else. It is just so beautiful. For a more dramatic look today, I'm just building it up really deep and intense, but you definitely could just leave it on its own. So now I'm taking Less is More, and I'm just gonna blend out just the edge of Hookup with that shade. So now I'm taking Heaven again on my really small smudger brush. This is my Coastal Scents smudger brush from the Majestic collection, and I'm mixing that with Lace Teddy, and I'm just going to put that on my lid area just to kind of give us that halo effect. And now I'm taking Sexpert on another shader brush, and I'm just using that to make a transition color. So you could go from dark to medium to the lightest shade in the center. So now I'm taking Au Naturel again on my shader brush, and I'm going to smudge that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Hookup and then smudge that right on top of it for a really nice effect. And also blending it into the outer third portion of your eye, just to deepen that up a little bit more. And just using it to blend out. It's just so beautiful. So now I'm taking Risky Biz. This is pretty much the darkest shade in the palette with my Coastal Scents brush again. I love these brushes so much, and I'm just going to put that in the outer third portion of my eye just to really make a beautiful effect, and then I'll pack a little bit on the outer V as well. So now I'm going in with Heaven, and I'm just using a pencil type of brush. And I'm just going to put that in the tear duct area, and then I blended it in. So now I'm taking some eyeliner. This is just a black eyeliner. And I'm just smudging that into my lower waterline, on my lower lashes. And then I'm going to do my upper waterline as well, tight line. And then I'm taking Risky Biz, and I'm just going to smudge out that eyeliner and pack it right on top. So now I'm taking some of my liquid liner. This is the I Want Candy Too Faced liquid liner. I'm just going to put this right along my lashes. I don't want it to be too much. Then I used my House of Lashes in Iconic. And so now I'm going into the Natural Face palette. This palette is so gorgeous also. I'm so in love with it. So I'm taking Sunny Honey, and I'm just going to place that on my contour. And then I'm just going to blend out the bronzer with some of this Kat Von D face powder from the Shade and Light palette with my Coastal Scents brush. This is also in the Majestic brush set. So I'm just contouring my nose with a little bit of bronzer. And then I'm going to take some of this shimmer stick from the I Want Candy Too Faced collection. I love that shimmer stick so much. And then I'm going to go over it with Satin Sheets. And I just loved it so much, I just kind of went crazy with it. So now I'm taking Birthday Suit. This is also from the new collection, Coconut Infused. And I'm just going over that with some this is lip pencil from Morphe. And now I'm just putting some Too Faced Lip Injection gloss on top. It makes your lips so huge. So this is like my favorite plumping lip gloss for sure. So babes, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know if you pick up the Too Faced Naturally Matte collection. I really love it. I think it's so great for traveling, for easy on-the-go looks. You definitely could make a super, super gorgeous, stunning look just doing a lot less steps than I did today. I just did this because I was just playing and having fun playing with all the different colors. But you could definitely just take a few of the shades, smoke them out, just definitely, oh my gosh, create just stunning, stunning looks for yourself. And the lipsticks are just like a really nice and easy lip balm that you could throw on, and you'll have color. It feels conditioning. It feels great on my lips. So this is definitely another item that you could just pop in your bag at the beach, and you're just going to look flawless instantly and easily. You could just throw it on. Like I said, it reminds me of like almost like a chaps. It's, you know, it has that easiness where it's like, it's just so creamy. So it feels so easy just to put on. It definitely reminds me, you know, like of a lip balm, but except it just has that gorgeous color, and it's creamier, and it feels super hydrating and just really good on your lips. So I absolutely love that. So babes, thank you so much again for coming to hang out with me today. I hope you're all doing good, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye babes, love you.